This is the story of Mildred and Hank. I'd been meaning to put something together like this, just all the compilations of all the videos and photos I've had of these two little clowns. And now I finally got the chance. I do hope you enjoy it. It's longer than a normal video. It's no food. I'm usually doing food. But my heart is with these guys all the time. I love Mildred, you guys should know. Hank as well. Anyways, enjoy this piece. Tell him you're the ninja. I am the ninja. We spent a lot of time roughhousing, or just like playing around. They got fast so quickly. They're so sweet. Mildred and Hank say hello and hope everything's good in the basement. Mildred, say hi. Say hi. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Stay still. We definitely had daily wrestling matches, which was super, super fun. And this is where I picked up the habit of wearing a hoodie sweatshirt all the time, because they would be crawling on me all the time from head to toe, running circles around me. Speak. Speak. These two lovebirds were around me while I was playing with all the mushrooms back in Oregon. So this is definitely in Portland, Oregon. Right after I had left Whole Foods and right before I moved on to Tesco. We spent a good 9 months together before they went back out in the wild. That's the road. Stay away from the road. No road. No road. Take that nut and go hide it somewhere else. Yeah, you heard me. No road. There are few things cuter than watching these amazing creatures eat in their little paws. And it seemed like they ate a lot of nuts, and they grew fast. It was pretty amazing to watch. Watch, she goes in my pocket to see if I have food. No food. When I was transitioning them to be outside, they had a choice. They could be free or they could stay in the house. But I brought the cage out every single day so they could play outside and then would sleep inside. Hank decided to move on early, and Mildred stayed. And she slept inside at night and played outside during the day. Mildred? You just chilling?
Monday morning. Mildred having a little snack. Peanuts are already all gone. The crew got all the peanuts.
By this point, I just left the big crate outside. So she was sleeping outside and playing outside, but she would definitely stick around. She wasn't ready to move into her little house yet that I put up in the tree. And she was just so full of love and loved hanging out. It was so cute. She learned how to do everything squirrels did. She was really good at gardening, really good. She grew some amazing plants, I have to tell you.
Hey, show Ned. Show Ned. That's Mildred. Come on.
That's my sweatshirt. It's my sweatshirt you're eating. It's my wicked healthy sweatshirt you're eating. Come on. One strange day, it snowed outside, so I got a big bowl of snow and buried some nuts in it so she could play in it and just see what it was like. It's really, really funny.
Come here. Look. Look. Say hi. Can't catch her. Come here. Hey, turkey. Whoa. So big. Look at how big you are. Hey, Mildred. She's hiding nuts in my clothes. Get down. Hey, what are you doing? Hey! Come on. You're such a turkey. Up. Next one.
Mildred loved to just sprawl out and let me rub her belly and chest. She's such a ham. Every squirrel is different. They all have different personalities of their own. So amazing. Just like every animal.
Come on. Stop its attack.
Every single night, I would get ready for bed. This was our ritual. She'd like get all excited and then just relax, and I would pet her and stroke her and tuck her in.
Come on.
I think it's so cool that I can walk out here and say hi to Mildred. Hi, Mildred. What are you eating? How's that? Is that good? You like that corn? I bought her a little house off of Etsy.
Stay away from the cats and the dogs. Don't go near them. They are dangerous. Just remember those words. Okay? Okay. No cats, no dogs, right? Yes. Yes. No cats, no dogs.
Come on, monkey. Come on. What's up? Oh, you're so good. Look at that. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh. Look. She comes. Is that good, buddy?